Looking for something creative to do this summer? Why not have a go at creating these sea creature shells? To create these sea creatures, you will need paint, seashells, scissors, magnets, a paintbrush, pipe cleaners, coloured card, googly eyes, and glue. I've used super glue, but you could use a hot glue gun. The first sea creature we're going to create is a crab. You need to start by painting the shell red. Once you've done this, you need to let it dry completely. Now it's time to cut the pipe cleaners to create the legs for your crab. You can either make 6 or 8. Once you have cut your pipe cleaners, you then need to get an adult to help you to glue the pipe cleaners to the shells. To do this, you need to glue them to the underside of the shell. Once the glue is dry, you can then flip the crab over and stick some googly eyes onto your crab. Now it's time to glue the magnet to the top of the shell. Once you've done this, let everything dry properly before trying out your magnet on a magnetic surface. Now we're going to have a go at making a turtle seashell. Just like the crab, you need to start by painting the seashell green and letting it dry completely. Once you've done this, you then need to cut a turtle shape out of green card. Your turtle will need 4 legs and a head. You now need to glue the turtle shapes to the underside of the seashell. You might need an adult to help you. Once you've done this, you then need to stick some googly eyes onto the turtle's head. And there you have it, 2 simple sea creatures that you can make out of shells at home this summer.